This is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter and use the camera pro mode on this device. So to start, we will obviously need to launch the camera app. Then among the list of available modes, scroll it all the way to your right until you will find yourself being inside the pro mode, or well, not inside, but in the pro mode. And while at it, you can manually adjust values for the white balance parameter. You can manually set the focus. The shutter speed. The value for ISO. Exposure. And switch the lens from ultra wide to, well, default wide length, and vice versa. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.